Hey guys, how you doing? Ray here again. If you'd like to subscribe, it's Nitro Kyosho. Remember to follow me on Facebook. Nitro Kyosho, all one word, brings you to the community page. Here is the little RC cars by WL Toys, and we're going to put a little demonstration on for you. A little video of these running so you can see what they're all about. So here we go. As you can see, guys, these things are pretty cool. And as long as you keep them in a certain area, about 5 to 7 feet, they seem to have a good signal.
You keep on cracking.
And they have the headlights and one tail light. But these things are a real blast, guys. And I think you'll have a lot of fun with them. Like I said, they're only about 15 bucks. And the controls are pretty good on them, guys. I mean, you see them zipping around. And you can set up obstacles. We even had a little a ramp we made.
Yeah.
We were jumping them about an inch, inch off the ground.
You keep on, like, Columbia.
But I mean, they got pretty good steering, and for the price, the money, geez, they're a blast. I mean, what are they going to come up with next? Forward, reverse, headlights, and they're basically like the little Tyco cars without a racetrack.
Hey.
Hey, you get in the way of the king, you're going to get hit, boy. Going to get run into, rammed. What happens when you mess with the king, you get flipped over. So you'll have a lot of fun with these guys. They're a blast for sure.
I'm gonna try flipping you over.
I don't think you can do it.
Yeah, probably not. How come I'm heavier? Because I'm a van and you're a car. Oh, I can't even do it.
So there you go, guys. We'll cut the video here. And pick these up. You won't be disappointed. You'll have a blast with these things.
I got you.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.